Hey everyone, Thomas with Houston Paint Protection here to talk matte paint protection film for Lexus GX550s. We get a lot of inquiries from GX550 owners looking for paint protection film to help protect their new cars, but a lot of them do want to upgrade into full car paint protection film coverage, and they want the matte. This video is going to show you how we do these projects from start to finish. As always, we'll start with our thorough prep process to clean and decontaminate the car and make sure that the surface is prepped properly for the film to stick and be durable, and also to ensure that we don't end up with too much debris or contamination under the film. After that, we'll go panel by panel and install all of the matte paint protection film. What the matte film does is it takes your glossy finish paint and flips it over to a satin look, and it maintains the same color. If it's got metallic flake, you can still see it coming through the paint. The other cool thing about doing matte PPF is that you get all of the benefits of the paint protection film, so it protects it from things like scratches, rock chips, and other physical damage, while also getting the changed aesthetic. And then on all of the piano black accent pieces, we did gloss. That way the car can maintain that nice contrast and it's more aesthetically appealing. If you've got a new GX550 that you would like to do some paint protection film, matte paint protection film, or any other new car and you're looking for this service, visit us at HoustonPaintProtection.com, give us a call or stop by the shop and we're happy to help you out.